Hi everyone, this is a G-Shock Casio watch and this is specifically meant for harsh conditions like rain and also if you drop it it's shock proof, and there is only two modes in this watch, but still I like the layout of the entire setup. And to change the analog needle, you can just pull on this thing like normal watches, and then you can like just set it like that and click on it back to set the time back. Now if you ask me how to reset the digital time, I honestly do not know, but I'll research on that. Then the other mode is stopwatch. As you guys can see, it's showing 00, and if I click on start, it immediately starts, and it starts. It's been 3 seconds since I started. So now there's a confusing part. If you ask me how to reset this, if you just click on reset, it generally does not work. Like, it will stay in the time and it won't really reset back to 0. What you want to do is just click on the start and then reset. Start and reset. 1 second, I'm having an issue. Start and reset. Now it reset fully, and this is how you're supposed to reset the stopwatch timing. If you want to go back to the time, just click on this mode button right here. If you click on it, you'll see that it shows the correct time, digital time, and you can actually change the analog time as you wish. And there's a light setting which is very cool. In darker areas you can see this clearly, but now it's bright, so I'm just gonna have to, as you guys can see, it's glowing a bit. So it does glow like this, and it also shows the day and the date. So I honestly think this is a very good watch, along with this very cool strap which it came along with. And this is a waterproof watch, which makes it very useful. Thank you. Mommy, scrubber put